CData Connect Cloud provides access to your NetSuite data in the Power BI service. With Connect Cloud's data connectivity as a service, you can easily work with your cloud data in your preferred cloud tools and applications. Let's say I want to view data in the Power BI service, but my relevant data is in NetSuite. There isn't any native connectivity between NetSuite and the Power BI service, and that's where CData Connect Cloud steps in. To begin, log into CData Connect Cloud and navigate to the Connections page. Click Add Connection and select NetSuite. Fill in the appropriate connection properties, including the account ID, schema, and auth scheme. Click Create and Test to ensure the connection is configured properly. Once connected, you are ready to work with your NetSuite data in your Power BI reports and dashboards. Open Power BI Desktop, click Get Data, More, then select CData Connect Cloud and click Sign In. After signing into your CData Connect Cloud account, click Connect in Power BI. Select the tables to visualize in the Navigator dialog. Click Load to import the metadata into Power BI. Define any relationships between the selected entities on the Relationships tab. Next, choose the dimensions and measures to visualize and build your visualization. Click Publish from the Home menu and select a workspace. Now that you have published a report to the Power BI service, you can share that report or even create new reports and dashboards based on the published data. And that's everything you need to know to establish live connectivity between your NetSuite data and the Power BI service. To get started with CData Connect Cloud, visit cloud.cdata.com and sign up for a free trial. Thanks for watching, and as always, you can find more resources at cdata.com.